Hi everybody, I miss you so much. A digital showcase this year. This is awesome because you're going to learn a new program from the safety of your current abode. You get to pick if you want to make an animation or a website. You have way less work to do than if we had actual showcase. Possibly we'll have a showcase at school if we can squeeze it in. And then you will have it forever and it will be a useful portfolio. Here is your great divide. You can do an animation with Adobe Spark, or you can make a presentation website with Google Sites. Both of these are really straightforward. I'm going to show you how easy it is to do this. We have access to this. If you don't have access to it, we will complain to IT, spark.adobe.com. You can log in with your Google. Please log in. Log in with your school account. Be aware whenever you do anything digital for the first time ever, things are going to go wrong. You just troubleshoot and click on things until you get it to work. I also recommend not giving things inappropriate names as you save them when you're frustrated. We are in Adobe Spark, and we're going to make a presentation. Actually, no, a portfolio, my bad. Portfolio. We can make all these other things too. I'm going to do my example with the celebrating art accepted winners. And if you watch this video, you will find out before everyone else who got in. Oh, look, they have tips for you. But yeah, I don't really want those. I'm giving you the tips anyways. You could just drop in the images. It's super easy. You will notice on your right, you have this gray screen where you have 4 options of what you can do for a layout. A title with text. Default to all the little animation bits. Notice, it just did it for you. Click on this white box that looks like a button. We are gonna go over here to our 4 layouts. I want split screen. That way I can have the image, which I'm going to click on here, and I'm gonna upload a folder. I'm gonna start alphabetically. Here's Christina and her hand image. And on the right side, we're gonna be able to add text. I can add Christina's name. I wanna edit this. See what they look like together. There's our intro title. And there's Christina's image sliding in. To add a new frame. Now you'll notice I'm going to drag it to where I want it. We'll add a photo. Big, big, big. Now I'm going to add a third person. Drag them over to this side. Hit split screen. I'm going to add a photo. Let's see who we got. Who's our third person? Whoop, Liz is next. Open. Clickety click. Zoom in very nicely. Oh, love it. And now we have text. Beautiful. I'm going to play it. Ooh, title. Christina. Quentin. Liz. Easy peasy. You can change your colors and change your texts. If you want to change your theme, I am going to go with red because you're art major, and you guys know I've color-coded you guys red forever. You can resize to square if you want to use this like on Instagram. And this last tab over here, this is what's really exciting, music. You can even add your own music if you have it in a format on your device. Warm pie. What's warm pie? Well, let's go with warm pie. And we'll watch our little video. Now that you're done, obviously I'm not totally done, you can share. Up here, there is a box with an arrow jumping out of it. 2 options. Now you have the option to publish or to invite. Here's the difference. If you invite me to this file, you're going to invite me to the inner workings of your file. I'm going to see this. This is if you need me to help you fix something. Publish is how you're going to export it as a different format as a read-only movie. When you publish it, you're going to be able to create a link, and then I have a link. You can embed it. Oh, wonderful. And you can send me that file. Go over to Google Sites and show you your second option. Make sure you are logged into your school account so you have the G Suite, which will allow you to get to this. And we're going to make a new one. Oh, hello, button. What's really awesome about Google Sites is you're going to be able to make this like website that is just going to be really, really, really pretty. Our title is going to be Celebrating Art Spring 2020 Winners. So there we go. Over on the right, you get these really simple layouts for having images that have a person's name underneath it. So we got this little button where I click the button to upload a file, pick up where we left off. So this time we're going to go with Kaylee. Now Kaylee made this amazing zodiac. When I am pulling this image, do you see how like these gray columns show up? If you count them out, you're going to find that there's 12. In graphic design, they're obsessed with the number 12 because it can be broken in half by 6, in thirds with 4, in fourths with 3. But you're going to be like, Ms. McGuire, there's more than 12 columns. There's like 11 in between. Those are your visual buffers. This is something I learned when I was on my book. It's the best thing ever. Eton. All right, let's add another one. Image. Let's see, after Kaylee, we got Halloran's up. Right? Pull these down. Make them pretty. Line them up so they're perfect. Yeah. And then we can click that. We can be like, Billy Halloran. All right. That's a beautiful layout. Now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to go like add this one because this one's like got text off to the side. All right. Let's see who's up next. Angie Kelly. Here we go. Angie, here's yours. Moving it. Angela Kelly. Now let's say you're working on yours and you want to add your artist statement, Cupcake Ipsum generator, because it's adorable. Generation. Here we go. Cupcake Ipsum. Now let's say what I really want is I want to have an image carousel. And this time, let's see, I'm going to want to have Olivia, Sam, Jack, and Maggie. Ooh, carousel. With the images, see the little dots underneath it? It's going to be perfect. Now let's see. What if I want to do 2 image carousels? Let's see. We got as far as Maggie, right? So we got Nora, Drew, Erica, and Nolan. Ooh, look at that. Same height. There we go. Now they are the same. Let's say underneath here we need a YouTube animation you guys have been working on. Go March. Space. And what's really cool is this just keeps scrolling down. We have to publish. Oh, you can change your themes. Let's see if we can change it to red. So it's like, so nice. Now you can hit publish. What you want your site to be called? Michiri Nego Dance Dance. Publish. I can click on the view button. And look at this. I have a website ready to go. Love, love. And look at these beautiful carousels. Looks like you programmed it. All you did was click on the button. You can have your little video. If you made the video, of course. Please only use your own work.